Hello, welcome to Dakia.com training series. By the end of this series, you will understand what Dakia.com is, how it works, and how you can grow your business through this platform. So, let's begin the first chapter. Today, we will talk about what is Dakia.com and why should you join it. Do you own a Kirana store, or maybe a medical shop or cyber cafe? Do you run any other retail store? Are you a bank mitra or a CSP agent? If yes, then Dakia.com is a ready to use business opportunity for you. This is a platform brought to you by MobiSuffer, which turns your existing shop into a digital courier booking center. That too without any major setup or investment. From here, you can send your customers parcel all over India or even internationally with trusted logistic partners like India Post, Delivery, Amazon Shipping, ExpressBiz, and many more. And the best part? There is no need for any new setup, new machine, or large investment. All you need is your mobile phone and a little time. If you are a bank mitra or a CSP agent, then you must already know that transaction volume in AEPS and DMT services has been gradually declining. Customer usage is also slowly shifting. So during such times, if you are looking for a new source of income, Dakia.com is a perfect upgrade. So let's now learn how Dakia.com works. Using Dakia.com platform is very easy because its mobile app and web application use an AI-based system which automatically matches your parcel with the best logistic partner based on speed and cost. Apart from this, on the Dakia.com platform, you can do many things such as real-time rate calculation, parcel booking, live parcel tracking, courier label generation directly from the Dakia.com platform. And yes, after booking, you will also have full customer support available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. where AEPS DMT services give a commission of rupees 10 to 11 per transaction. In contrast, Dakia.com allows you to earn a commission of rupees 30 to 50 per booking. The more bookings you generate, the more you earn. And most importantly, compared to traditional courier franchises, Dakia.com offers faster onboarding, multiple courier booking options, wider PIN code coverage, training and support through MobiSuffer professionals. You do not need to pay any large deposit and the entire service is automated and transparent. So now, let's find out who can join Dakia.com. This business is for anyone who is already serving customers such as Kirana store owners, clothing shop owners, footwear shop owners, medical shop owners, stationery shop owners, cyber cafes, bank mitras, CSP agents, and any shopkeeper who wants to increase their income. By joining Dakia.com, you get an opportunity to earn on every booking, access to Dakia.com's easy and smart platform with which you can manage everything in just a few clicks, support from trusted delivery partners, real-time tracking and customer support, and a new service that your customers will really appreciate. So, if you are ready to upgrade your shop to the next level, then join Dakia.com, grow your business, and reduce the hassle of sending your customers' parcel from one place to another. We'll meet in the next chapter where we will talk about eligibility and requirements for joining Dakia.com. See you in the next chapter. Till then, keep learning.